DRDO has successfully test-fired Abhyas from which state? Assam, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir, and Kerala. The correct answer is option B, Orissa. Defense Research and Development Organization has conducted a successful flight test of Abhyas, a high-speed expandable aerial target from the interim test range Balasore in Orissa. Abhyas can be used as a target for evaluation of various missile systems. Abhyas has been designed and developed by the Aeronautical Development Establishment of DRDO. What is the name of the hackathon has been planned by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research under National Agricultural Higher Education Project? Kritegya, Kriteghan, Krishi Seva, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Kritegya. Option A, Kritegya. A hackathon named Kritegya has been planned by the Indian Council on Agricultural Research under National Agricultural Higher Education Project. This hackathon has been planned to promote potential technology solutions for enhancing farm mechanization with special emphasis on women-friendly equipment. Students, faculties, and innovators, entrepreneurs from any university, technical institution across the country can apply and participate in the event in the form of a group. Pandya, who passed away recently, belonged to which profession? Actor, director, politician, doctor. The correct answer is option A, actor. Theatre personality and Bollywood actor Bhupesh Pandya, who is the best known for his role in Ayushmann Khurrana's debut film Vicky Donor, has passed away. He was an alum of National School of Drama, NSD. India has begun joint security patrol along the border in Kapilvastu with which nation? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and China. The correct answer is C, option C, Nepal. Security forces of Nepal and India have initiated a joint security patrol of the Nepal-India border in Kapilvastu district to control the spread of COVID-19 and check illegal cross-border activities. Railway planned to complete 100% electrification of its broad gauge route by which year? 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. Railway has planned for 100% electrification of its broad gauge route by 2023. This was stated by the Railway Minister Piyush Goyal in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha today. The minister informed that around 63% broad gauge lines have already been electrified out of total 63,631 road kilometers as on 1st of April this year. India signed MOU to collaborate in tech innovation and startup with which country? USA, Russia, Israel, Iran. A memorandum of understanding was signed today between Israel Startup Nation Central and India's International Center for Entrepreneurship and Technology to initiate a bilateral program to accelerate innovation and technology cooperation between startups and corporates from both countries. Who has called upon G20 play a leadership role in crafting pathway to recover from COVID-19? Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, Narendra Singh Tomar, Smriti Irani. Option B, Piyush Goyal. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has called upon G20 to play a leadership role in crafting a pathway to recover from COVID-19. Piyush Goyal on Tuesday participated in the virtual meeting of the G20 Trade and Investment Ministers. Suresh Angari passes away. He was the Minister of State which department? Transport, Railway, Home Affairs, Health. Union Minister of State for Railway. Suresh Angari has passed away after he contracted coronavirus disease. He is the first member of the Union Cabinet to die due to coronavirus. Who is the author of the book titled The Voice of Dissent? Arundhati Roy, Romila Thapar, Kiran Desai, none of these. A new book titled Voice of Dissent, authored by historian Romila Thapar, will be jointly published by Penguin Random House India and Segal Books. Which state government has approved Muksha Kailash Yojana 2020? UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, Karnataka. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Tuesday approved the Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation's scheme to allow free bus travel to two members of a family to immerse ashes of their loved ones in the Ganga in Haridwar. The State Road Transport Corporation would be the nodal agency to run this scheme named Muksha Kailash Yojana 2020, and the expenses on It would be borne by Devastan Department, an official statement said. Chief Minister Gehlot had earlier started the facility of free bus travel to Haridwar for 2 members of a family during the COVID lockdown for immersion of ashes in Ganga there. Who launched AP Police Seva app? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Jagmohan Reddy, Ramesh Pokhriyal. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister YS Jagmohan Reddy. Which bank has appointed AK Das as the new administrator of PMC Bank? SBI, SEBI, SIDBI, RBI. Correct answer is RBI. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed AK Das, ex-general manager at Union Bank of India, as the new administrator of the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank, PMC. Which country planned to become first country to require climate risk reporting? India, USA, Russia, New Zealand. New Zealand could be the first country in the world to require its major financial institutions to report on the risks posed by the climate crisis. World Maritime Day is being observed on which date? 22nd September, 23rd, 24th, 25th. Correct answer is 24th September. Which ministry has approved to set up 10 plastic parks in the country under the Plastic Park Scheme? The correct answer is Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers has approved to set up 10 plastic parks in the country under the Plastic Park Scheme. Central Pollution Control Board celebrates which Foundation Day? The correct answer is 46th. The Central Pollution Control Board celebrated its 46th Foundation Day.